Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video today, this is what I have for you. I have a mining platform for you. On this platform you can mine for free, and you can also increase your mining by going for their paid subscription. This is a cloud mining. You can mine Bitcoin, convert it to USDT, and withdraw it on this platform here. Okay guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Banky Mill and this is Banky Update. So guys, this is a free mining platform, and you can also increase your mining by going for their packages. So right now, when you register on this platform, if you want to register, check the description of this video. You see the registration link there. So this is how to register. Let me take you into it. For example, let's say you paste it's direct. When you click on the registration link, it directs you to this place. So what you will do is you will input your name here, your surname here, then your email address, input your password here, then input it here again. The reference ID is 760116. So after that, you will click here to mark this place. Then you will click on create account. So after you create an account, after you click on create an account, it will show you a page where it will ask you to go to your email to confirm the email sent to you. So you go to the email, you input here, you go to your email inbox, and you verify the account. So immediately you verify the account, you will see a link to download the app on Play Store or Apple Store. So you will see a link to download the app. So after you download the app, you can now log in back to the app on your phone. Log into your account on your phone. So after you log in, it will direct you to this place, your home page here, and here you will see your balance. This is your balance right here. This is your balance. As you can see, I have $2.0439 right now. If you want to mine, you click on mining. You just have to click on mining, start mining. When you click on start mining, it will direct you down. So this is it here. You click on start mining here. You click on start mining. You just click on start. So let me click on it right now. You will see it. My mining will start. There is AD whenever I want to. As you can see, your new mining operation has been successfully started. So my new mining has started. Let me see how many minutes. That is 30 minutes. It's going to last for 30 minutes, and it's going to generate me 0 something amount in dollars. You can see it. This is the amount it's give me right now. There is free package and there is paid package. So let me show you their calculation on how much you will be earning on this free package and on their paid package. So if you want to check, click on it. This free package, you don't need to deposit anything here. So on this second, you can see here daily earning. That is 0.0000144 BTC, which is equivalent to 0.41963 USDT daily. On the free package, you'll be getting 2.93739 weekly. That is in 7 days. In 30 days, you will get a total of 12.5888 dollars in 30 days. That is for free, and their minimum withdrawal is actually 25 USDT. Minimum is 25 USDT. You can see it here, 25 USDT. That is the minimum withdrawal. But if you want to withdraw very fast, you have to click here and go for their paid plan. Click that arrow. So you can see this one, start 50 mh/s. Just click on it to see the calculation. The investment package of this one, the investment plan is 38. The investment price is $38, and this one will be generating 1.748545 for you daily. Weekly, in 7 days, you will get a total of 12.23912 dollars. In a month, that is in 30 days, we get 52.45335 dollars. So that is it for the second package of their paid. Why this third one here? When you click on it, this one is called intermediate. Click on it, the investment price is $75. This one will be giving you 3.49689 USDT daily. In a week, that is in 7 days, you're going to have $24.47823. In a month, you will get a total of 104.906070 in a month. So that is it for this package. And don't forget, their minimum withdrawal is 25 USDT. Anytime you have up to that, you can withdraw. This is for professional. The last package is here. The last package here is called professional. When you click on it, the price of their investment is $145. The daily return is $6.99378, and their weekly income is $48.95646, and their monthly income is $209.81340. So it depends on the one you want to go for. So that is it for that. Also, we will talk about this gift box in my next this thing. You can also click on it to check things about them. So let's go up and let me show you, for in case you want to purchase their packages. Just go up and click on deposit at up there. So when you click on deposit, you will also see a page where there is withdrawal page there also. So click on it. So that is it. Go down. So when you click on it, you go down. From here, there is the withdrawal. This thing here, you can withdraw here also if you want to make a withdrawal. So if you want to deposit, this is where you're going to click. You click under this fund your account here. So this is where you're going to input the amount you want to deposit inside here. So let's do it right now. For example, let's say I want to deposit something like $145 like this. Let's say I want to deposit this amount into my wallet there. So this is what you will do. You will input the amount you want to deposit to purchase the package. Then you click on deposit. You click on deposit here. So when you click on deposit, it will direct you to Coinbase. Your session has been successful. Okay, sorry, my session, I need to relog in. So I just relog in. So you click on deposit again, it will direct you to Coinbase exchange. So you can see it, Coinbase. So it will direct you to Coinbase. So from here you have to select which the method you want to use to deposit. Either you want to use Bitcoin, Ethereum, any of these crypto here you have, you can use it to deposit. Any of them you have here, you can use them to deposit. If you select Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, if you don't have I can say you should just, if you have Dogecoin or you have where to buy it, or Bitcoin or any of these any of these coin here, or it or USDT. But this USDT is for Ethereum USDT. I don't advise you to use ARC 30 USDT due to their high fee. This is not TRC 20 USDT. Or you can also use Matic, Polygon. You can use any of them. For example, let's say I want to go with Dogecoin. Dogecoin. So you have to click on Dogecoin here. So this is the wallet you have to send the money to. This is the wallet you have to send the money to. You copy it, and this is the amount of Dogecoin you have to send into the wallet. Just click on copy it, then send this actual amount here, send it to the wallet address you copied here. So when you send it to it, immediately the blockchain confirm it, it will appear on your wallet here, on your account on Minersy. Immediately it appear on your balance. All you need to do is to go for the package you want to purchase. Go for the package and select it. That is it. Just select the package you want to buy. Just click on it and just click on buy. Just click on buy. When you click on buy, so all you need to do is to click on I approve. So immediately you do that, that means you have purchased the plan, and your mining will start immediately. And your mining will start immediately. Your mining will start immediately. Mining is completed in 1 hours. 1 hours. That means every 1 hours you have to come here and click on your mining to start your mining. So that is it. If you want to withdraw, you also click on deposit again. I have shown it to you before. Click on deposit if you want to withdraw. So you go down, you click on create a withdrawal request. Input the amount you want to withdraw there, and input your wallet address here. Make your choice. Make a choice. Input your wallet address here. Or you can just click on add new wallet here to just get your wallet address in here. Click on add new wallet. The title of the wallet address you are inputting here. So I advise you using any of these BEP20 USDT or ARC20 TR or TRC20 USDT, because these are the most common one. So input you can give the title USDT TRC20. Although they have already known, then you paste the wallet address here. Then you click on accept here. So when you click on accept here, then you click on save information. When you click on save information, your wallet will be bind here automatically. So anytime you want to make a withdrawal, you just click on it and input the amount you want to withdraw. Input it here. Input it in here. Then you click on make a choice. Then you copy, you just select the wallet address you want to withdraw to. Then you click on submit request. That is all on how to withdraw on this app. So guys, thank you for watching. Let me show you something. Also, I can also show you something. Let me show you something here so that you can see people review on this app. You will see that they are really doing well. People review them very well. Let me show you. So you can see most of their review here on Play Store. You can see that is 5. It is 5. That is 5 star. People review them very well and it is very good. You can see it, see it, see it, see it, see it, see it. Many 5 stars. So guys, don't miss this opportunity also and start mining for now. Start mining. So that is it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and also hit the subscribing button if you have not subscribed to this channel. So guys, on this channel, this is what I do. I share different videos on how to make money online, different opportunities. So guys, thank you for watching. If you need support of their customer care service, you can click user support center here. So that is it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye. If you want to register, check the description of this video. Goodbye.